Have you ever wondered how to create your own unique personalized emojis with AI? In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to make AI-powered emojis directly in Facebook Messenger. And before we start with the video, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one. The first thing that we need to do is to open our App Store if you're an iPhone user, or the Google Play Store if you use Android, and just make sure that you have the latest version of Messenger installed on your device. If you see an Update button, tap on that button and then wait a couple of minutes until Facebook Messenger updates to the latest version. The next step is to open any conversation in Messenger, and we can now start creating our AI emojis. Tap here to open your keyboard, and then we want to click on this little smiley icon at the right side, which will then open the emoji section. At the very top of this new menu, you're going to see a little text box, and you can tap on it and then start writing a prompt. Essentially, you'll want to explain what kind of emoji you want to create. This feature is similar to iPhone's Genmoji feature, so I'm going to type something like dog with sunglasses, and Messenger will then generate a couple of custom emojis for me. You can then tap on an emoji to send it to the person, and that emoji will be saved into your emoji gallery. If you don't see this feature for some reason, then you'll simply have to wait a bit more until the feature rolls out for your country or region. Make sure you regularly update Facebook Messenger in the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you'll quickly get this feature. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.